Hi guys, we'll be talking about Power BI. Power BI is a very important tool in data science. Power BI is the collection of software services, apps, and connections that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into content. It's visually immersive and interactive insights. The data may be an Excel spreadsheet or a collection of what cloud-based and on-premise IP data warehouse. Power BI lets you easily connect to your data sources, and it has one important role. It allows you to visualize and discover what's important and allows you to share it to everyone you want. Now, the key things you have to note about Power BI is Power BI allows you to get insights from data. Power BI allows you to detect how business is performing. Power BI allows you to make decisions on the business performance. And it also plays an important role. If your business is not functioning properly, you can implement Power BI Big Data Analytics tool that can allow you to sort out what's the issue. Now, in this course, we'll focus on the following key tasks. Number one, we are going to talk about how to download Power BI. We'll talk about how to import sample data into Power BI. We're also going to focus on how to create and visualization from sample data. We are also going to talk about how we can create reports, and also we are going to save and publish the visualized data in Power BI and share it to other people now. So the first thing the next thing we're going to talk about is what are the parts of Power BI. In realistic perspective, Power BI has three main parts. Number one, we have Power BI desktop, we have Power BI services, and we have Power BI mobile apps. Now, this diagram is a schematic representation of how Power BI looks like. Now, I've said before that there are three main parts: the Power BI desktop, service, and the mobile part. And the focus of it is that it allows you to share and contribute business insights in the way that serves you, and it allows you to analyze data effectively. So the next thing we're going to focus on is how do we download Power BI. There are two main ways of downloading Power BI. You can use your Power BI Microsoft Store, which is the important component that you have in the 10 level and Windows 8. You can also use this link here to download Power BI. So you can also use this link here to download Power BI. This link here. So we are going to focus on that. So when you use the Play Store, this is how it looks like also. So now let's go to our Internet Explorer. Let's go to our desktop. Let's log in into our. So now these are. Now I said there's a link where you can use to download. So also let me go to the section that involves download your Power BI. Yeah, so this is the link. So let's just copy this for this link. URL. Ctrl C. And let's put it on our web. So just put it to our web. Let's put it into our 1 second. So this is the Microsoft site for Power BI. So if you want to download using the first method, it will link you to the Microsoft App Store. So you click on this open. So this is the Microsoft App Store, and you can download your Power BI. You just do a search. After you've done the search, you can download your Power BI. Here I've already installed it also. So it's like second method you can use. You can click on see download here. Let's allow the page to come up. Now choose your language setting. The language setting we're going to use is going to be English. You now click on download. We are going to choose whether it's 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system. Mine is Windows 11 64-bit. You now click on what next. Then after that you're not going to download it. So it should just take a second. So Power BI is very, very, very important because it's an essential to data analytics. Its role is very, very, very important, and you can use to analyze your data effectively. So let's check out whether it's up. So okay, so this is the site for Power BI. So here, so now I'm using Microsoft Chrome. So sometimes you may need to switch to Edge, use another browser, and to allow you to download your software effectively. So 1 second. Yeah, so after you have downloaded the Power BI, either using your browser interface or using your Microsoft Store. Understand? So this is how it looks like. So the next thing we're going to talk about how we can use our sample data to download, to import data into Power BI and what we can do with it. I want to say thank you very much everyone. Welcome to the Bashcom Tech session class. We have focusing on Power BI. So as I said before, we focus on 5 main points area, how to download Power BI, how to import data into Power BI. We're going to focus on how to create generation from sample data using Power BI. Talk about how to create report and how to publish data also to in your business organization. Thank you very much. See you all in our next class. Have a nice day, everyone. Yes, I will see you all in our next class where we talk about how to import data into Power BI. Bye.